Now notice this shape. This shape already has a lot more information than a plain square. What do you see there?
It looks like a cube.
Yeah, does it? I mean, does it?
I was drawn to the curvature that you can create with edges.
How I get from 3D possible forms to patterns of image data. And what do I have to have specified for a model like this to work? What would the brain have to have?
Even though the system succeeds on these kinds of inputs, it's very easy to break the system.